Today I am going to show you the easiest and cheapest way to fix minor scratches on your Tesla. Whether someone scratched your car or you backed into the side of your garage and scraped your paint, here's a $15 DIY solution from JOWUA. If you're looking to simply hide the scratches and you're not too picky about a fully professional look, check this kit out. This looks and functions like a nail polish, and it comes in all Tesla colors. They have the pearl white, midnight silver metallic, black, deep blue metallic, red multicoat, and more. They also have this product for wheels, so if you have those curb rashes and you really want to hide them, this could be a very affordable solution for you. Just like any other paint correction project, you should first clean the car surface and let it dry. If you want a cleaner finish, you can also buff the edges a little bit. The kit comes with a small brush for thin scratches, but the lid also has a larger brush. You can then simply apply the paint to correct those surfaces. I'm not really good with paint and body work, so my job here is very sloppy. With some patience, you can get this looking very clean. The idea is that you can do a single layer and then fill the space, then let it dry, and then add a second coat. For very small scratches, you can probably just get away with using a single coat with a smaller brush. This will not make the scratches disappear, but you now have to look very closely to see the paint corrected areas. Here is a before and after the paint application. Even though this is not perfect, I think this is a great and super affordable option to perform some minor paint repair yourself. I love that the paint is exactly the Tesla paint color, and you cannot tell the difference from the distance. I have a link down below for this product, and while you are at the site, you may want to check out some awesome accessories that JOWUA has and use my discount code Shiva5 to get 5% off your entire order. We have reviewed a lot of JOWUA products in the past and never have been disappointed. Thanks for watching this video. I'll be back again with another Tesla accessory.